Installing a bus bar. Note: you might need to update the firmware or driver after replacing a component. Align the bus bar with the two guide pins on the mid-plate assembly, and then install the bus bar on the mid-plate assembly. Fasten the three M4T20 screws to secure the bus bar to the mid-plate assembly. Align the bus bar cover with the two guide pins on the bus bar. Install the bus bar cover on the mid-plate assembly. Fasten the three M4T20 screws to secure the bus bar cover to the bus bar. Reinstall the following components back in the enclosure: leakage sensor, mid-plate assembly, manifold, PCS cages, PCS, SMM3, blank filler. The trays into the front of the enclosure. Refer to the following videos for the procedures. Installing a leakage sensor, installing a mid-plate assembly, installing a manifold, installing PCS, power conversion station, cages, installing a PCS, power conversion station, installing a DWC tray in the enclosure.